Milo and the Secret Path. Milo loved exploring his backyard, where he often discovered bugs, plants, and interesting rocks. One day, while digging in a corner, he found a small hidden path, half covered with leaves. Curious, he decided to follow it, wondering where it might lead. The path twisted through thick bushes and led him to a small clearing with wildflowers and a big, old tree in the center. Excited by his discovery, Milo felt like he'd found a secret place just for himself. He imagined the tree had been waiting for someone to find it, and he decided to name it Magic Tree. Milo returned every day, bringing water for the flowers and reading his favorite books under the tree's shade. He even brought his little sister to show her the path. Together, they played, picked wildflowers, and pretended the tree was a magical friend with stories of its own. Over time, Milo started to learn about the different flowers and small animals living near the tree. The magic tree taught him that nature has its own little secrets, waiting to be discovered by anyone willing to look.